Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain about our project which is entitled as an automated vehicle controlling based on drowsiness and alcohol detection by making use of IoT on Azure platform. This is a project module. Here we can see the eye blink glasses, and in this IR sensor is mounted, and these eye blink glasses were used regularly while driving to detect the drowsiness of the driver. And here is the node MCU, and this is the 2-channel relay, and these two are the 1-channel relays. And here we can see the alcohol sensor, and these are the capacitors, and here we can see the 2 DC motors, and this acts as a vehicle in our project. Now here we can see a buzzer which acts as an output device, and these two are the connectors and these are the batteries. The main aim of our project is to prevent the society from road accidents in automobiles caused due to drowsy driving and alcohol consumption of the driving person. In order to overcome this, we have proposed an automated system which facilitates by alerting the driving person using buzzer. When he closes eyes continuously for a while, then vehicle is stopped automatically. The alcohol sensor used in our project detects the alcohol content in human breath, and then an automated message is sent to the government that alcohol is detected in a vehicle from a driving person in order to charge a penalty for drunken driving whenever it exceeds a legal limit. Here we can see an alcohol sensor. The alcohol sensor mainly consists of 4 pins. Pin 1 is said to be VCC, and pin 2 is said to be as ground, pin 3 as D0, that is digital output, pin 4 as A0, that is analog output. In our project we have used only digital output for this alcohol detection, and we have represented a output in the form of dashboard. Alcohol sensor is connected with the node MCU. VCC pin of alcohol sensor is connected to VIN pin of node MCU, ground pin to ground pin, then D0 pin to D4 pin of node MCU. This alcohol sensor senses the alcohol content in human breath, and then an automated message is sent to the government that alcohol is detected in a vehicle from the driving person in order to charge a penalty for drunken driving. As our project is a combination of drowsiness and alcohol detection, firstly for drowsiness detection mainly we have considered an eye blink glasses which have been used as a regular glasses, and we have used an buzzer for alerting, and we have visualized the output in the form of analog. And for the alcohol detection we have used a digital output and visualize the dashboard in the form of software. Next, moving on to the software. Firstly, we need to sign in to an Azure portal. For that I'm typing here as Azure portal, and here we can see that Microsoft Azure. I'm clicking on this. By clicking on that, an Azure portal is open. So we need to search here as IoT Central Application. I'm clicking on this IoT Central Application, and in order to create a new, we need to click on create. Now here are the application details which we need to fill. So I'm creating a new resource group and giving name as alcohol. Then my resource group name is as alcohol detection. As I'm giving dashboard, I'm creating a dashboard for only alcohol detection, and in my template section I'm giving as custom application and region as Southeast Asia, and I'm clicking on review plus create. Now here we can see that validation has been passed, and here are the basic details about a IoT Central Application. We need to click on create. Then our deployment is submitting and it is in progress. We need to wait for a while. And here we can see deployment is in progress, and subscription, here we can see subscription as free trial and resource group as alcohol. And here are the details that alcohol detection is a resource group, IoT central application is a type, and status it has been created. Now here we can see our deployment has been succeeded. Now go to resource. Then here we can see an IoT central application URL. We need to click on this. Here we can see in the site devices, device groups and device templates. Now we need to create a new device, so I'm adding a device. Here I'm editing the device name and giving device name as alcohol. Then device ID I'm remaining same and creating this device. So I'm here, I have a device has been created and clicking on this, and now we need to connect this device, so I'm clicking on connect. Here are the device connection groups and scope ID, device ID, authentication key and primary key. Now we need to fill all these details in our code, so I'm opening an Arduino IDE. Here already I have edited the details and I have compiled it, so now we need to upload the code to the node MCU. I am clicking on upload. Here we can see as compiling sketch and done compiling, and our code is been uploading to the node MCU. Now we need to wait for a while until uploading is done, and here we can see all the percentages step by step from 1 to 100. Here 73%, 78, 84, 89, 94, then 100% our code has been uploaded. So I'm now, in order to produce a digital output, now I'm using this little amount of alcohol and I'm placing this alcohol sensor near the alcohol, and I'm waiting for a while until our dashboard is been created. So we need to wait for 30 minutes and we can see the digital output. So that now I'm creating a device template and clicking on create a device template, then an IoT device, then I need to customize it. Then I'm giving template name as alcohol and review, then clicking on create. Now here we can see custom model and import a model. I'm clicking on custom model. Then we need to add a capability for this. So as per it is an alcohol detection project, I'm giving display name as alcohol and semantic type as volume flow rate. So we need to save this capability, and I'm selecting here views. Then we need to click on generate default dashboard views, then create a default dashboard views, then and publishing this. We can see device template interfaces and views has been succeeded, so I'm publishing this. Now we need to see our raw data and refresh it every time. I'm going to devices and clicking on my device. Here we can see the device has been connected and our unmodulated data has been displayed. We need to refresh every time until our sensor values has been detected. If the alcohol is detected, then the raw data will be increased. Now here we can see unmodulated data. I'm clicking on that and creating template for this raw data. Then again I'm checking the raw data, so I'm clicking on raw data. Now we need to refresh it. Here alcohol values has been not detected, so we need to wait for a while again. Now I'm editing my overview, so I have given here a bar chart and editing this and giving my time range as past 30 minutes and average as count, and then we need to update it, so I'm clicking on update. Now we need to save this, and here it is a bar chart, so I'm changing it to heat map. Now here I'm changing it to heat map, so again we need to save it. So we can see alcohol has been detected and count is increased to 1. So here we can see our alcohol is increased from minus 0.05 to 0.05, and count has been increased here to 14, and as per the alcohol sensor readings are increased, then here the default dashboard will also be increased, so count has been increased to 39 here.